Well, the big snowmageddon is happening. We're getting it. Just turning my heat up just in case we get enough snow to kill the power. We have plenty of power at the moment, and we're only 4 houses from the power transfer station, so I think we're always pretty good. But let's look out back. Here's the backyard. The good old A-liner. Through the back window. My neighbor's yard. Not a whole lot right at the moment. It just started about 6 o'clock and it's about 8 o'clock, so it's been coming down pretty heavy, but it hasn't really accumulated a lot. So we'll check back in a couple hours. I gotta take a shower. Oh boy, are we itching to get out in this and go four-wheeling. As you can see, his priority is to make sure all the sticks are uncovered in the snow, because that's the important thing, that sticks don't get buried. Gimme, out. Go get the other one. We got sticks. And there are some things you just wonder why you bring from New York to North Carolina, but then you realize one day you'll use it. We're only shoveling this to see how fast it's coming down, and it's coming down pretty fast. He's happy as long as he has a stick. You know, the white snow really throws off the old white balance on the camera. Well, folks, the snow has stopped for us at least. Right now it's kind of raining ice pellets. They say it's going to change over to freezing rain. The white balance is way blown off by all the snow, but he certainly likes it. As long as he has a stick, he's happy. We're gonna go out in the car in a minute, see what the roads are like. We don't care. We've been driving in snow the last 30 years of our lives. Now, you may say that I think he's the smartest dog in the world just because he's mine, but I want you to realize that, look at this. He wrote his name in the snow, just like all young boys do when they learn how to do that. He's a smart boy. It's dark, but you knew he had to find a stick. Nothing small, of course, but he's chewing it down to size. He's wondering, can you get it across that bridge? He's not stupid. It's maybe if I trim it a little. Maybe not. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe if he backs. Oh, there you go. He knows how to break them.